this year on the World Environment Day. People who are taking the cycle, explaining them and getting the cycle back from the cycle. We have Padma Shri Mr. Uday Desh. Neha ma'am.
There सामने.
Hello, good morning everyone. Thank you for showing up, thank you for coming, and happy World Environment Day. Lovely initiative by Bhamla sir, Seher Bhamla. They've been at it, they're committed to this cause, as we all should be. And this is another wonderful initiative. I was there the other day cleaning up the beach, and now we're doing a green ride today. So all the best to all the cyclists, and thank you for this amazing initiative.
Yeah, look here.
Sherwood present is happening to Rahul Bose ji also after this. We'll have another happening here. Okay.
Sir, यहाँ पे sir. अरे आगे आ जाओ.
आपको आवाज नहीं चलो ले चल से ए पे कॉलेज लेट्स गो कॉलेज
स्टेशन के लिए आवाज करो. आसिफ सर के लिए आवाज करो. Cheers for Asif sir. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
How are you? Nice to meet you. I've met Seher a couple of times.
Yeah. Great fan of yours.
Not at all.
She's coming.
Oh, I'm not very good, but I can try. I know. I live right here, so I keep listening to it. Yes, exactly.
अपना फोटोग्राफर कहाँ है? कहाँ है? वो किधर गया? हमारा फोटोग्राफर कहाँ गया?
हाय
बुलाओ उसको। नहीं वो माउंट मेरी वाला क्या नाम उसका? राकेश.
Rupesh. It's an honor to have Indian celebrity which we've seen in OTTs and many movies. Rasika Duggal, the Mirzapur fame. Rasika Duggal is here. Big round of applause for Rasika ji. She's a banderite and environmentalist by heart. Coming and showing her support in the Green Cyclothon. Amitabh ji, welcome. Welcome again.
आइए सर एक फोटो ले लीजिए. Let's have a picture.
Hello. Please gear up for the cyclothon. Another 10 minutes when I'm waiting for others guests of the morning to flag off this event. अमिताभ जी 10 मिनट में हम लोग शुरुआत करते हैं. और आपकी पूरी टीम रेडी है सुबह से. They are doing very good job.
दादा
अमिताभ जी को कुछ बोलना चाहिए. Early in the morning लोगों की ऊर्जा बढ़ाओ. बचेगा जी यहाँ पे देखिए.
Thank you.
अरे मेरा ट्रेन में
रसिका जी इधर देखिए. रसिका जी एक मिनट. थैंक यू. एक मिनट. शहर
I did.
Dad! Oh, you did?
या लुक क्या थैंक यू.
I've had a lot happening here in the last. I keep listening to it. But good, well done. Good turnout. Lots of people.
You go there also.
Cycle. Thank you. Thank you. We're all very together happy and
Always coming to South Bombay.
I am. I moved. Rahul sir. Huh? I mean, it depends on which. Yeah. I mean,
Our tram is only dusk.
We have an eco champ environmentalist by hand. The champion Rahul Bose is here. We welcome Rahul Bose for this green cyclothon.
Tag it off. It's a few minutes.
like it's fantastic. Oh, I see. Are you gonna cycle?
are you?
I'm right now. Let's see honorable conference. I think Rahul, you should come here.
No, it's absolutely fine.
Yeah.
दोनों का एक साथ में फोटो करा लेंगे
Yeah.
दोनों
Side, please.
Mr. Vedana and the Bamla Foundation just completed 550 weeks of beach cleanup. Rasika Duggalji and Rahul Bose, all of them early in the morning gathered here to flag off this green cyclothon on the eve of World Environment Day along with Seher Bhamla. The regular postmark of the designated post office, and it is impressed on the mail and parcel article, and dissemination of information regarding the beat plastic pollution, which is the theme of this year on the World Environment Day. People who are taking the cycle, explaining them and getting the cycle back, putting the cycle. We have Padma Shri Mr. Uday Desh.
Vedan by the.
We have उनका स्वागत करें देखिए ये पद्मश्री उदय देशपांडे जी हमारे बीच हैं. So I would just want to tell you, yesterday we had this beautiful World Environment Day with more than 5,000 to 7,000 people here with Honorable Chief Minister. The activities which are going to be happening around the year, led by Seher Bhamla and the team. As you know, we just completed 550 years of beach cleanup and multiple tree plantation drives.
Environment Day is the only planet we have, and we should take care of it instead of finding space on other planets, because it's senseless as for me. And yeah, plant more trees, cycle or walk shorter distance, clean the beach, segregate your waste. Simple things can make everything better. So yeah, and be a better citizen of this planet. That's it. Happy World Environment Day.
Happy World Environment to all of you. Also, Seher, so this little girl here.
जाते यार तुम लोग समझ आते हैं क्या नहीं?
We have Pashmina Roshan ji also here. Big round of applause for all these wonderful people coming early in the morning for this noble cause of green cyclothon. Amitabh ji, please come, the Councillor General of Panama. Afaq bhai, हमारे पद्मश्री. राजू सैपलिंग दे लेना. Dr. Deepshika Birla ji, please मंच पर आइए. Dr. Deepshika Birla ji, please come on the stage. Now I request Seher to please felicitate all us to present this beautiful sapling to Rasika Duggal ji. Seher, Sanjay, sapling दीजिए आगे पहले शहर को. Miss दीपशिका पिल्ला जी प्लीज आइए ना आगे मैम.
सर इधर
Yeah, look here.
There would present a sapling to Rahul Bose ji also after this. We'll have another sapling here. Okay.
सर यहाँ पे सर
Sir, we have saplings behind you. Just let them hold everyone.
सहर थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ.
थोड़ा नीचे ले ले
I would request Mr. Afaq Mohammed ji to please present the sapling to the Panama Consular Journal, showing the love towards the environment and coming here early in the morning for the Green Cyclothon on the eve of World Environment Day. Mr. Seher would give the honor to and a sapling to Mr. Varun Chaudhary ji also after this. Big round of applause for the Principal of National College, Neha Jagtiani ji. We missed you last evening. And please come on the stage. All the National College students who've taken ma'am, please on stage and say to play felicitate Neha Jagtiani ji. Sir, please present this. Now the youth ambassador for the Green Cyclothon, Vedang Rena ji. Big round of applause for Vedang Rena. Environment show that his presence early in the morning. And now we'll have Neha ma'am.
सर सामने
So Neha ji, please share your.
Oh, you have a huge amount of fans. And Bamla ji, today is a very good day because, he's been a student of ours. And yesterday, the reason I couldn't come is that yesterday I had taken over as the director of the entire Bandra campus. So all the 4 colleges now come under me. So I think we need to now make it not only an educational hub with innovation research, but we need to make entire Bandra into a environmental hub so that that's the example and role model that we set for everybody.
नमस्कार. पिछले महीने हमने 11 दिन के बारिश देखे. ये हमारे इतिहास में पहली बार हुआ. Average rainfall in May is 11 millimeters. This year it was close to 200 millimeters. We're not doing very well with the environment. And the real game is, of course, methane, greenhouse gases. But that is not in our hands. It's more a governmental, geopolitical problem. What we can do, and I mean this very, very seriously, is to consume less. Spend less, use less, consume less, save water, save electricity. Do you really need that much food on your plate? That's the only way this is going to actually start to be arrested. There is really no other way. We're going to have to really look hard at making sure that the resources that we have, we use them very, very sparingly and very wisely if this is to last. Asif Seher, thank you very much. It's been wonderful coming here with all the work that you guys do. I hope we can turn this around. As I said, humanity's track record hasn't been great, but if we can turn this around, then we should start today. Thanks.
Thank you all for turning up today. This is turning up at 7 o'clock in the morning is a true testament to your commitment to your health and to the environment. बहुत कुछ लोग बोलते हैं और बहुत कुछ करना है हमें environment के लिए और कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम इस चीज़ में जूझ जाते हैं कि अब क्या करें और क्या नहीं करें. तो इस चीज़ में आप मत पड़िए. Every small step counts and believe in that. And Asif and Seher are testament to that, and the Bhamla Foundation is testament to that. So participation is important. Perfection, I hope we can reach there someday. But till then, participation is good enough. So thank you for turning up and making a commitment to making this a better world. Thank you.
Come on.
Hi everybody. Happy Environment Day. I'm so happy to here today with everybody to be able to celebrate Environment Day, even like with the smallest step. It's a step that counts, like Rasika ma'am said. No step is small, no step is too big. So I'm really happy to be here. Everyone's so happy, invigorated, and just to show love and support to our planet. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, I request Neha ma'am. So all the students of National College, put your hands up in the air. We have this special memento given from the National College to Rahul Boji. I would say youth icon and environmentalist by the heart at anything, wherever there is public service, he's always there to serve the nation, to serve Mumbai. I'll hold this sapling.
Look here.
Now we release this. Can we have some cheers for the National College? Put your hands up, all the students of National College. And can we have the Tick Tick Plastic song?
रिलीज करा हमारे पोस्ट हेड यहाँ पर अमिताभ जी भी यहाँ हैं. So guys, we are starting this in the next 5 minutes. A very big round of applause to Ram Shinde ji. I can't hear you guys. So let's begin the morning with a lot of energy, and I give this here to our Deputy Speaker and Chairman of the Assembly, Mr.
खरं तर आज पर्यावरण दिन आहे. पर्यावरण दिनाच्या निमित्तानं आपण सायकल स्पर्धा ठेवलेली आहे. मॅडमनी मला आत्ताच थोड्या वेळापूर्वी सांगितलंय की सायकल स्पर्धेमध्ये असे काही स्पर्धक देखील आता उतरलेले आहेत की ते पाहू शकत नाहीत. ही एक वेगळं चित्र आज आपल्याला पाहायला मिळणार आहे. निश्चितच अशी बमला साहेबांनी मला सांगितलं की आपण या कार्यक्रमाला उपस्थित राहून फ्लॅग दाखवण्यात यावा, पण अलीकडच्या कालखंडामध्ये अशा स्पर्धा आयोजित करणं ही तुमच्या आमच्या सर्वांसाठी एक संधी आहे. ही संधी यासाठी आहे की लोकांना व्यायाम करायला वेळ नाही. डिजिटल आणि मोबाईल आणि याच्यामध्ये सर्व गुंतलेले आहेत. जेव्हा केव्हा एखाद्या व्यक्तीला काही व्याधी होते आणि तो काही सफर होतो, त्यावेळेस त्याला जाणीव होते की आपण व्यायाम केला पाहिजे. परंतु सातत्याने अशा पद्धतीचे उपक्रम राबवून सोशल मध्ये अवेअरनेस आणणं आणि त्यांना प्रोत्साहित करणं हे तुमचं आमचं सर्वांचं कर्तव्य. आणि अशी बमला यांच्या नेतृत्वामध्ये निश्चितच अतिशय चांगल्या पद्धतीचा कार्यक्रम हा होतोय. काल देखील रात्री त्यांनी छान एक कार्यक्रम केलेला आहे. मी देखील सकाळी 9 वाजता एअरपोर्टवरून टेक ऑफ करणार होतो. त्याच्यापूर्वी म्हणजे आपल्याला एक फ्लॅग दाखवून जावा. मी देखील सकाळी तसा व्यायाम करतोच, त्यामुळे मी आपल्यालाही सल्ला देऊ शकतो. आणि म्हणून अशा एका चांगल्या उपक्रमास मला उपस्थित ठेवल्याबद्दल मी ऑर्गनायझरचं मनापासून आभार मानतो आणि या स्पर्धेसाठी सर्वांना शुभेच्छा व्यक्त करतो. आणि त्याचबरोबर पर्यावरण दिनाच्या देखील आपल्या सर्वांना शुभेच्छा देतो. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Hello, good morning everyone. Thank you for showing up, thank you for coming, and happy World Environment Day. Lovely initiative by Bhamla sir, Sir Bhamla. They've been at it, they're, committed to this cause, as we all should be. And this is another wonderful initiative. I was there the other day cleaning up the beach, and now we're doing a green ride today. So all the best to all the cyclists, and thank you for this amazing initiative. Thank you.
सामने
Rajul Patil ji, please. Sir. Huh? So Can I have the okay? Yes.
उसको आदत है वो
So cancellation with Indian flag in the hand.
आगे घुस के ही लेता है
Yes, absolutely. In 5 minutes, let's all gear up for this cyclothon.
वार्डी लग जाएगा हाँ फिर वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ
अमिताभ जी, हम शेलार साहब का असल में वेट कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ही इज द गार्डन मिनिस्टर, तो हम चाहते हैं कि उनके शुभ हाथों से आज ही आपका कैंसिलेशन स्टैम्प रिलीज हो. बट द मैसेज, आई फील वेरी ऑनर टू होल्ड दिस ऑपरेशन सिंदूर. द काइंड ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स आवर कंट्री हैज गिवन, आई फील प्राउड ऑफ बीइंग एन इंडियन, and India is always ready for Indian Army, the Indian Air Defense. All of them have just faced a challenge which they have successfully succeed, and today we are very proud for ourselves.
आदरणीय राम शिंदे जी, मंच पर उपस्थित सारे महानुभाव, नेहा जी हैं हमारे नेशनल कॉलेज के, और इस कैंपेन के जो ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है वेदांग रेना जी के लिए जोरदार तालियों से इनका स्वागत करिए. वेदांग इज द यूथ सेंसेशन. वी हैव Pashmina youth face, and of course we have Rahul Bose ji and a couple of other gentlemen. We have of course Amitabh ji, the head of the posts here in Maharashtra. Thank you so much everybody. We have the Honorable Consul General of Panama also here. I guess I can't see you guys. All hands up. Come on, all hands up in the air. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! I can see my post persons here also. They've also come here to cycle with us. But I think in the next 5 to 7 minutes, we'll have Ashish also got a flight. And once Ashish ji comes, he flags off and then we take him. I think he himself also wants to cycle a little. तो वो भी हमारे साथ आदरणीय मंत्री जी भी cycling हमारे संग करेंगे. And we have a beautiful ride from here to Bandra station and back here. And that will be the concluding session of the
cancellation stamp. Amitabh ji, Deepshika Birla ji, thank you the entire Indian Post Department. Can you open the folder and have a photo op of this, all of y'all? Please open the folders. A cancellation stamp for the World Environment Day. इसमें ये संदेश है कि cancellation stamp एक जो ठप्पा लगता है, which is about the cyclothon, sorry, of Indian Post for taking this lovely initiative on the World Environment Day. Thank you Amitabh ji, thank you Deepshika Birla ji for this lovely initiative. अब मैं चाहूँगा कि जितने भी cyclists हैं सब सामने आ जाए. हम यहाँ आसिफ भाई, just faces towards the stage, so the pictures will come from here.
मैम इधर थोड़ा सा
दस देना.
ये किधर है? ये किसके पास है? ओके, थैंक यू. मैं जाती हूँ.
एक मिनट रुक जाइए. ये भाई इधर आना.
Can I have all the cyclists, especially हमारे जो पोस्ट मास्टर्स हैं, वो और उनके साथ पीछे cyclists, all the cyclists look towards. Let's have a photo with the rider's cycle. Rahul Bose.
Rahul come.
हमारे राम शिंदे जी. Sir, even you take a cycle. Neha ma'am. Neha ma'am will do 2 rounds of cycle. I think we have a very beautiful photo view from the top.
Get the flags also here.
Yeah. Flags ready रखना. Flags हम लोग. Where is Bittu gone? Bittu. Yes. वरुण चौधरी जी.
वरुण जी आइए. कहाँ है? वरुण कहाँ है? Where's your cycle?
Fit India icon. Is Bhavin around? Bhavin? Put your hands up in the air and can I have the tick tick plastic song? Put your hands up in the air. All the students, all the जितने postmasters हैं सारे हाँ ऊपर करें हाथ अपना. But Asif Bamlaji, please hold the hands of all the celebrities and show a message to the environment. And आइए नेहा जी बिल्कुल सैलूट। I want more cyclists from the behind. सब आगे आ जाइए please. All the cyclists who are behind, please let's assemble here. Three, two, one. Yeah, leave it outside. Go to outside. Leave it outside. Control कर दो, पीछे जाके। आप लोग आ जाइए। All the cyclists, please come on the road. Very ट्रैफिक का ध्यान रखिएगा। We have the traffic department. सारे हमारी जो गाड़ियां हैं उनको साइड में करते हैं।
पश्मीना जी। On the promenade. It's a much nicer picture. The picture will be nice.
I think we should sit on our bike.
Let's go, guys. Excuse me. Down the promenade. Yeah, it's a much nicer picture. Wait for us to go back. You guys go back. थोड़ा पीछे
थोड़ा और पीछे आ जाओ।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
निकलना तो पड़ेगा आपको निकलना पड़ेगा। हाँ सर आइए
सर आइए। क्या बात है आसिफ सर, क्या बात है सर। पतंग भाई
प्लीज मैं देखो एकदम
क्या वाह।
ये सीधा क्यों नहीं चल रहा?
क्या बात है, सबसे अच्छा आप ही चला रहे हो।
ये कुछ this is a new level. तो पेड़ थोड़ा हटिए।
Come, we take an exit from here, start from there. हाँ?
उधर वेट कर रहे हैं।
यहाँ पे
कितना मजा आ रहा है पश्मीना साइकिल चलाने।
सबसे अच्छी साइकिल आपने चलाई।
अरे प्लीज ऐसे चलाइए।
लेकिन चला तो ली।
हाँ कोई शर्त था?
फोटो प्लीज मैम. Save fuel.
बाहर निकालो.
3, 2, 1. One happy World Day. आगे सोहेल आगे सोहेल.
Sorry.
अभी स्टार्ट किया है साइकिलिंग, but can you catch us on the road in between?
Yeah, BMX rider from Red Bull. BMX team on stage.
Bandit station. Bandit station. Bandit station.
Red Bull BMX team.
सर थोड़ा थोड़ा पीछे.
Bandit station था, Bandit station. चलो, let's start with Bandit station. Royal Ascent से Bandit station को direct. चलो.